Welcome to the 2014 Mid-Atlantic Robotics Championships. Teams start with 10 seconds of autonomous operation. Team Spike, Miss Daisy, and Hardwire Fusion, each throwing one of their balls through the 10-point top goal for their alliance. Miss Daisy finally clearing that last blue autonomous ball. Blue Alliance getting ready to start their cycles. Hardwire Fusion, along with E=MCD, still trying to do the same for red. Team Spike collecting the ball up from the floor, passing it, bouncing it off the truss. Red Alliance able to clear the rest of their autonomous balls, getting ready to start their cycle. Team Spike human player feeding Miss Daisy, completing the 3 robot assists for blue. While Aperture getting fed from their human player. Daisy lining up down in the corner, up in. 10-point goal with a 3 assist bonus for the Blue Alliance. Aperture able to pass over to Hardwire Fusion, popping it up over the truss for the Red Alliance. Dingy Robotics passing it off to Spike. We're down to just about a minute left. Spike trying to get the truss shot off. Can't quite get it to go over. While E=MCD pushes it into the low goal for the Red Alliance, completing the cycle with 3 assists for red. Starting back at the beginning, Aperture looking to pass off the Hardwire Fusion. Team Spike playing some defense, but 708 completing the grab, tossing it over the truss. Red Alliance making a comeback. Daisy able to pop it over the truss, up out of bounds, right back to the human player, and we're down under 30 seconds left. E=MCD completing the 3 Alliance assist for red. Aperture getting it back in their control. Daisy looking to give the Blue Alliance the lead with 12 seconds left, and they do. Down under 12 seconds left. Hardwire Fusion with the last second try.